They said a woman alone is weak, but I wasn't weak. I was just alone. When he left me, I didn't cry. Not right away. I was holding my baby in my arms. Tiny hands, soft breath, so innocent, so unaware that his father had walked out on us. I was 22, young, hopeful, in love. But love doesn't feed a child. Love doesn't pay the rent. The first night alone, I sat in the dark, my baby asleep, and me awake, awake with fear, awake with pain, awake with questions that had no answers. I looked at my son, and I promised him, I will never leave you. The next morning, I walked out of my tiny apartment with no money, no job, no idea what tomorrow would bring, but I walked with something stronger, faith. I took odd jobs. I cleaned houses. I washed clothes. I sold old books. Sometimes I skipped meals, but I never let my baby go hungry. When he cried at night, I held him close, whispered stories, sang lullabies with a trembling voice. Some nights I cried too, but never where he could see me. My tears were mine, his smile, that was his. Years passed. Diapers turned into school bags. His first steps became first words, then first dreams. And every time he fell, I was there. Every scraped knee, every broken toy, every broken heart. I was there. People asked, how did you do it all alone? Alone? I was never truly alone. I had purpose. I had him. I missed parties, missed birthdays, missed sleep. But I never missed a single moment of his life. And now, he's taller than me. He calls me his hero. He doesn't know. He saved me. He gave my loneliness a name. He gave my nights a reason. He gave my life a direction. They said, a woman alone is weak. They were wrong. A woman who raises a child alone is a warrior, is a miracle, is me. And I'd do it all again in a heartbeat.